this time I will tell about adjectives in Indonesia and the opposites. This is the part 2. You can watch for the part 1 check it in my channel. And I will tell more than just English to Indonesian. I will also tell about the formal and informal words. And make sure that you watch this till finish because you will be able to speak Indonesian easily. So let's start. Number 1, we have left and right. Left is kiri. Kiri. See? Kiri. And right is kanan. 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 So left and right is kiri and kanan. Number 2, we have near and far. Near is dekat. Dekat. And far is jauh. Jauh. And number 3, we have good and bad. Good is bagus and also can be baik. So what is the difference? In Indonesian, if you translate good, depend on the case, it can be bagus, it can be baik. So what is the difference? I will tell you more with the examples. For example, my test score is good. Nilai ujian saya bagus. In this case, bagus. My test score is good. Nilai ujian saya bagus. Nilai ujian saya bagus. A good house, rumah yang bagus. House is rumah. So, a good house, rumah yang bagus. And it will be so good if you can win it. It will be so good if you can win it. Akan sangat bagus jika kamu dapat memenangkannya. Next, example for baik. My good friend, temanku yang baik. If we say temanku yang bagus, it sounds very funny and not the correct word. So, my good friend is temanku yang baik. Temanku yang baik. He is a good student. Dia adalah murid yang baik. Student is murid. So, he is a good student. Dia adalah murid yang baik. Mostly the word of baik is more to characteristic. And for an additional word, sometimes people in Indonesia love to say this. For example, baik akan saya lakukan. In this case, baik akan saya lakukan. Baik, it doesn't mean good, I will do it. No, baik akan saya lakukan is okay, I will do it. Okay, I will do it. So, if you hear any Indonesian people say baik akan saya lakukan, it means okay, I will do it. And for the opposite is bad. Bad is jelek, but also can be buruk and jelek. Well, I'll tell what is the difference. Buruk is usually for behavior, attitude, and appearance. And jahat is usually for behavior and trait. And jelek is usually for appearance, quality of thing, behavior, or trait. Quality of thing is, for example, the charger is bad. It means the quality of the charger is having like that. So for overall, you can just say jelek, just like that. So good and bad. Good it can be baik, can be bagus, and bad just see jelek. I will just give another explanation about buruk or jahat, but overall just see jelek. Next, number 4, we have full and empty. Full is penuh, penuh, and empty is kosong, so penuh and kosong. Number 5, we have clean and dirty. Clean is bersih, bersih. Dirty is kotor. And for number 6, have heavy and light. Heavy is berat. Heavy is berat. Heavy is berat. And light is ringan. Light is ringan. Or just say enteng because most people like to say enteng more than just ringan. Well, actually it's a slang or informal word. But for the formal one is ringan. And in English we say heavy rain, but in Indonesian heavy rain is hujan lebat. If heavy rain in Indonesian is hujan lebat. So I will repeat what is in Indonesian of heavy and light. Heavy is berat, and light is ringan. Okay, next number 7. High and low. High is tinggi, tinggi, and low is rendah. So tinggi, rendah. Number 8, we have dark and bright. Dark, gelap, and bright is terang. For example, the sun shines bright. Matahari bersinar terang. Sun is matahari, so the sun shines bright. Matahari bersinar terang. But bright in Indonesia also can be cerah. For example, bright color, can be warna terang, but usually is warna cerah. Dark is gelap, bright is terang. For bright color, just for bright color, it means warna cerah. Next, number 9, old and new or young. Old, tua, or lama. New is baru. Happy New Year. New is baru. Young is muda. And young is muda. But I will tell more about the old. The opposite of new is old. Old is lama. And old is tua. For example, my grandfather is old. Kakek saya sudah tua. Our grandfather is kakek. So my grandfather is old. Kakek saya sudah tua. This is an old book. Ini buku yang sudah lama. Okay, we can say buku yang tua, but we say that buku lama, old book. That's for example. Rich and poor for the last. Rich is kaya and poor is miskin. So rich is kaya and poor is miskin. Thank you for watching.